Hey guys, let's put some of these GDI engine or gasoline direct injection engine myths to rest once and for all. I've heard a lot of people talking about how unreliable GDI engines are, and this is definitely not true. Of course, you're going to have some vehicles that have issues. Yes, they have become very popular as of recent times because of emissions and fuel economy standards, but of course they're going to have problems as well. Now, a lot of people want to judge a few vehicles as a generalization of all the GDI engines, and that's just not the case. Or all GDI engines have carbon buildup issues. Wrong, that's definitely not true. As you know, many GDI engines include an extra set of sprayers, or they have made other changes to solve this problem. So they'll only get better over time, and we're not going backwards. No, you'll actually have all vehicles going to GDI soon enough, because like I said, with emissions and fuel economy standards, they're going to have to make every change they can. And this is one of the best ways I see to make some great changes with the gasoline powered engines, because as you know, they're trying harder and harder with electric vehicles, trying to ban gasoline engines. What about oil dilution? Yes, unfortunately, that myth is definitely true. There has been a lot of oil dilution issues, but if you change your engine oil when the manufacturer suggests, most vehicles don't have any problems. And you need to do your due diligence, research. Don't just go out and buy a vehicle that you don't know anything about, or that's a new vehicle, it's just came out. You want to make sure that vehicle's out at least 5 years or more. Then you want to go and check out all the information that you can, people that own that vehicle, and see what they think about it. And please, before you buy a vehicle, find a mechanic that you trust to check out the vehicle. This way you don't get scammed. Guys, if there's any tips that you can add that'll help people out, I'd really appreciate it if you do so. Your kindness is always greatly appreciated. And as always, I want to thank you for watching Nate's Interactive Auto.